Never say never. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. My duty is to be your eyes till the days when we're older. If you're feeling down and blue, you can rest on my shoulder. A woman's pride is a truth I found inside of you.
Okay. I don't want it to happen to my boy. There you go. Are you okay?
Yes.
You're sure? You're sure?
Eh? I'm fine. I'm only pregnant. I'm not sick.
Baby, I see. Cannot wait for you to give birth to my son. Eh? Hey, I'm really thinking of what name to give him. Maybe Emeka or Nkem Jr. Or I will even just give him Ikechukwu.
Where did Ikechukwu come from?
Power of God now. See this boy? I will spoil him silly. Hey.
Okay, this obsession you have about male children or this pregnancy being a male child, are you God?
I'm not God.
What if it's a female?
Hey, don't even say it's like that now. Why are you trying to put the curse on my innocent child? Eh? No, God forbid.
What do you mean God forbid?
It's my son.
It's a girl child, not a child. Well, was I not a girl child?
For some people. But for me, my own is a boy. All I know I have inside me is male genes. So that is what I gave you in turn. Eh? Want to come and use joke and turn this thing to blues? Oh.
My husband, why are you sounding like I didn't the truth?
Leave it.
Eh? What has genes got to do with it? Okay. Don't you know that? Where's that video?
Wait. Don't hurt my boy. Just relax. Is it okay?
Yes. Hey, let me educate you. This husband of mine. Okay, my husband. You, as a man, you have the X and Y chromosome. What that means is, it is whatever you put inside of me that I will bring out. Do you understand? So it has nothing to do with genes.
So since you want to start talking like computer, have you not heard of garbage in, garbage out? Which means what I put in is what you give me. What I put inside here is boy.
You saw it.
What you give me is boy.
Did you see it when you
If you give me girl, I give my because what I put inside is a boy.
Did you see the way you did you see it when you were putting it inside? Did you see there was a boy?
I did not saw nothing. Yeah, but let me just tell you that the only thing that is welcome in this house is boy. Because if you bring girl inside here, I will not accept her in my house.
What was that supposed to mean?
Home truth. That is what it is. Home truth. You just take care of my son and bring him out the way I give him to you. Okay. He's boy.
Okay. I don't want to play again.
Okay. So maybe you need to rest so that baby can rest.
I don't want to rest.
You're sure?
I want to go to the parlor. This is your talk.
Whatever you're doing, don't hurt my son.
My precious. You're so beautiful. Mommy loves you.
I can see you're enjoying your baby. Congratulations. How are you feeling?
Thank you.
Your baby is cute.
Thank
I hope
you.
you're better now.
Yes, I am just still a bit weak, but...
Oh, that's very nice. Fine, baby. How are you doing?
Please, where's my husband?
Oh, it's with the doctor at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Alright, take care.
Thank you.
Take care.
You see, Daddy's coming. You want to see Daddy?
Kelechi, you have been my friend for some time now. Look, there is no way on this earth that I'm having a girl in my house. It's not possible.
Look, Nkem, why are you sounding as if your wife gave birth to a snake instead of a human being? Huh? she's not responsible for the sex of a child. So I'm wondering why you're upset when you and Kem are the determiner.
You see, from the way you are sounding, I am beginning to suspect that you and my wife have been talking to each other. Because you are sounding exactly like her. Instead of you to sit down here and be offering me solutions on how I would avoid this rubbish, you're telling me this nonsense? Huh?
What? Solutions for a child has already been born? Huh? Sometimes the way people like you do think, it keeps me wondering if you've seen the four walls of a school.
Well, I don't care about what you are thinking right now or what you have to say. All I will say is I am not accepting a girl in my house, okay? So go and tell her that.
Hey, what's this good news that I'm hearing? That my elder brother is already a father.
Nkem, why that look? Did anything happen to Carol and the baby?
Unfortunately, nothing happened to Carol and the baby. It is me that something happened to. No, can you imagine that Carol went to go and give birth to a baby girl? For what now? Eh? For what?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
How can Carol carry her full self like this now and go and give birth to baby girl? Baby girl, for what? What will I use baby girl to do in my life? Will you tell me now? Who's the spell?
What are you talking about?
Is that why I'm ranting and trying to pull down this house? One day I put in boy inside there, she brought out girl. Is she mad? No. Is she stupid? Eh? How can I put in boy and she need girl? What is wrong with her now? I'm asking for common boy. What is so hard to ask for common boy that she's giving me girl?
Wait, just calm down. Is that why you are this furious?
I forgot I'm even talking to an idiot. Huh? Because you have never proven yourself to be a man in any context. So that's why you can make stupid comments like this. I don't blame you, but let me just tell you something. Huh? And every person that's advising her, I will never, ever accept a girl in this house. Do you understand? So go and advise her. Eh? Carry the girl, put it back and vomit it. Nonsense.
So what's the problem? Sorry, Oyako.
So how's the new mommy doing?
Doctor, we are fine, but she cries. It's okay.
Welcome to the world.
It's okay. She's been crying like all day. Like she won't even feed.
I will send the nurses to come check her temperature later.
Okay. Where is Nkem? The nurse came in and said that he was with you.
Oh, yes, he was. Oh, he left hours ago.
He left?
Yes.
He left without a word? That's strange.
Strange is a word your husband is accustomed to. But not to worry, I'm sure he went to, face something very important. But I'm sure he'll be back.
Hey.
Baby. Alright, I'll check on you guys later.
Thank you, doctor.
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You see, some men can be so annoying. See me, I'm here begging God for the fruit of the womb. And God has blessed your brother with a baby girl. And he is still complaining. Is it God? Yeah.
My brother and mama, they have the same mentality, but then, man,
I never knew he was going to take it this far with a girl child.
crazy.
Interesting. So are you saying that if I'm blessed with a female child, I'll face same challenges from your mother?
My dear, that's basic. But trust me, as your husband, I'm here to defend you any day, anytime from my mom.
So, I beg you, please. I don't need you to defend me. Wait now, let God bless me first. Let your mother come and fight me. She won't believe what I will say to her. Oh, she won't believe it.
You know, your tongue is as sharp as my mom's. So let's just wait.
Oh yeah, now. Till then. Let's wait.
Hey. I wonder why bad luck has decided to visit me. First, Elena refuses to get pregnant. And then this one here. She has done worse by giving us liabilities as children. God, what have I done? What have we done?
Mama, my child is not a liability.
So, what would you call a girl child? If not liability? You tell me now, is that child in any way productive to us? If not waste of space?
That's why you abandoned us at the hospital, right?
Oh, you expected him to come and visit that disappointment? Eh? Hey! After all the love, after all the caring for 9 months, look at what you gave us. You gave us shame. Carol, what have we done to you? What have we done? Eh?
You know, I would be disappointed to hear a woman talk like this about a girl child. But coming from you, Mama, I'm not surprised. Thank you, my darling husband.
Come on, Zushan, help us. Hey, what have I done? Chineke, some people, their daughter-in-law give them 9 boys. Let no Mama Kelechi. 9 boys.
It's okay, it's okay. Shush. Shush.
Can't you just sleep in your own house again? Can I sleep in my house?
Come on now, come on. She's just a baby. Babies cry, it's normal.
Babies do not cry. It's not normal. It is only crying because of it is a she. That is all.
Okay, please. I'm begging you for the love of God and peace. Do not ever refer to my child as an it. If you want to sleep like a man without your child, that's fine. After all, there are several rooms in this house.
Please carry her away. Somebody will just turn deaf before early morning now.
Sleep. Okay. Yeah.
Bien, Carol, you've been here since. Eh? You'll be here all morning.
Good morning, ma.
What is good about this morning? What is good about this morning that you abandoned everything to sit out there to take care of what I don't even know of? Instead of making food for the family.
What is it now? If I remember clearly, the purpose of this your visit is for Mugo. But what have you decided to do for me? Nothing. Why? Because you and your son have ideas about my child. That's okay. But I think the least you can do is to cook for this family that you love so much.
Do you realize that you're talking to me, your mother-in-law? Eh? I demand respect from you. You should respect me.
Mama, respect is not demanded, it is earned. If you want people to respect you, then you should respect them as well. And what is it? She's my #1 priority, so all of you have to get used to that. Please.
I should get used to this bad luck. Eh? This girl child that you brought into this family, I cannot get used to it. Okay, Namia?
It's my child.
Let me tell you, if you want peace in this house, Carol, if you want peace in this house, you had better go into the kitchen and make breakfast for this house. Okay, Namia? Want me to get used to this bad thing? No,
When she sleeps, I will cook. Until then, I can't do anything. Say yes, babe. She's smiling at me. I know, she's always smiling. Oh, she's so gorgeous.
She has your nose.
She has her daddy's eyes. Yes, that's for sure. It's okay, it's okay.
Guys, honestly, I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. If Nkem was the only one involved in this madness, maybe I would have a little faith. But with Mama involved, I don't even know what to think.
Yeah, you know, it's not surprising. Mother and Nkem have always, shared the same thoughts and views. But I really can't believe that they have to take this too far.
Well, they should just be happy that you've given birth, really. But I don't understand though. If they see you like this because of a girl child, then I wonder how they would see me, who is still without child.
It's terrible, I don't know why a woman would get upset that her fellow woman, is having a baby girl. It's amazing, man. Since when has it become an abomination?
That is a question you should ask your mom and brother. They would have a perfect answer for you.
Birds of a feather.
Where is she? Where is mother?
In her room, I guess.
I've been looking everywhere.
Hey! So you suddenly realize that I live in this house?
Mom, please don't start.
Don't start what? Chidi, you've been in this house for the past 30 minutes with your wife. You now remember that your mother also lives in this house.
But there's no way we will come here and we will not see you now. It's not possible. Why are you sounding like this?
Really? So why have you come to see me? I guess that stupid woman sent it to me, isn't it?
And if by stupid woman you mean Carol, no. She did not send me to you. I came here on my own. Besides, why would Carol want to send me to you now?
Really? So, if you're here to beat about the bush, I am not interested. Okay, I'm not interested.
I'm also not interested to beat about the bush because I know you know the reason why I'm here. So I will make it snappy.
Meaning?
See, Mom, Carol has done nothing in having a baby girl. Alright? In fact, she has done this family a good thing. We should be thankful to her. We should be grateful.
Mr. Know-It-All. So tell me more about it.
Mother, you should know. I shouldn't be telling you these things. You have two boys, two grown-up men.
Exactly. I have boys because God in heaven knows that I am never a fan of girls. So why should Carol stoop so low to ask God to give her a girl child? Why should she give me a girl child for a grandchild? Why?
You know what, Mom? You and Nkem are very impossible people. And I'm done arguing. I don't think it makes any sense for me to stand before you and be saying all of those things. Alright? I mean, is Carol God that gives children? Is she the one that will determine the sexes of the children?
Chukwu Abiyama is not a partial God. He's not partial. He will only give you what you ask for. So why should my daughter-in-law give me a girl for a grandchild, knowing fully well that I'm not a fan of girls? That girl is so stupid. You know what? Just say about go away. Go back, no say about people. Say about very stupid girl. Why would she give us a girl for a grandchild?
I invited my mom over for Mugo. She should be here soon.
How dare you? How dare you invite your mother without asking for our permission first?
Carol, what do you mean by you invited your mother for Omugo? So what use is my mother being here then?
My darling husband, maybe you should ask her. Because ever since I got back from the hospital, she has not as much as touched my child. Not to talk of helping out with the household chores. I can't force anybody to take care of my child because the truth is I don't even know that I'll be comfortable with Mama looking over my child or looking after my child.
And what do you mean by that? You mean I'm going to harm your child?
Mama, wouldn't you?
Well, I have just one thing to say. Carol, if my mother cannot take care of your child for you, then do it yourself.
Exactly.
Because your mother has no business in this house.
At all. She's not coming here.
That is something I have decided not to do. It's too much. It's too much for one person to do. I cannot take care of the baby and do the chores all by myself. I mean, it's too. I can't kill myself. I've already contacted Mom and she's on her way. She'll be here soon.
Young woman, your mother will not stay in this house. She won't stay here.
Well, Mama, this is my house. And only I have the right to say who stays or who leaves. You need to be careful because at the end of the day, you might just be the one leaving.
What?
My child is crying.
That's the point of replying her. She's obviously joking.
She had better be joking. She had better be joking.
Hello, my son. Hello, darling. Hello, Mom. I'm so happy to see you.
And what are you doing here, woman?
Oh, Obi, how are you? You never change. Anyway, I came for Omugo. It's every mother's dream to come for Omugo, isn't it?
And it's only a foolish woman like you that will come for Omugo when her daughter reproduces a girl child.
And it is only a woman without senses such as you who will forget that even she was once a girl child. You're welcome, Mama. I am so happy you are here. So, this is what you've been going through in this house.
I thank God, Mom, that you are here to see everything. Because I'm sure when I told you over the phone, you would have thought I was exaggerating.
Well, this has got to stop. Obi cannot be treating my only daughter like she's a slave in her husband's house. Huh? If war is what she wants, I came prepared.
I'm just happy you're here. Happy. I have to do everything by myself.
It's okay. I'm here now.
I think she needs to eat.
Yes, but...
Okay, let's go and eat. It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
No. She must leave. She must leave. It's unheard of now. You are the man of the house. Therefore, anything you say should be law. If your wife cannot respect you enough to listen to you, then I'll make her listen. Oyana.
Mama, Carol has never behaved like this before. I mean, she practically used to seek my permission to use the restroom before. But since this child came, Carol is now a stranger in my own house. She has now put the child before me.
Ezenia, and that is because that child is evil. That is the only way she can bring bitterness into our lives.
Mama, something has to be done, and very fast too. Because if we continue this way, Carol will begin to feel like she runs this house, and I would not have that.
Do you know something? Handle your wife while I handle her mother. She must leave. She must leave. Come here.
It is time now for The Skinny, and a big fear that is shared by all of us who work on camera.
It happened yesterday live on CNN. Some frightening moments played out for anchor Poppy Harlow, who's 6 months pregnant, by the way. She apparently fainted while reporting on a story about America's war on ISIS.
Bad news for the Obama administration. We have this new CNN ORC poll, which is quite...
I can see that some people have no shame. No shame at all. And it's obvious you're one of them. But this is not the time for me to buy you dignity. This is the time for you to go in there, pack your things and leave. Leave, because my son and I do not subscribe to you staying in our house.
Shame? If shame is what we're talking about, you should have truckloads of it. Anyway, if your son wants me out of this house, he should stand in front of me, look me in the eye and tell me so. You are not his mate.
Your daughter disgraced herself by giving birth to a girl. You should at least try and save whatever that is left of our nakedness and just go. Go, woman, go. There is no omugo. Your daughter gave birth to a girl. No omugo for you.
I have as much right to be here as you do. This house belongs to my daughter and your son. And I am here for omugo. What exactly are you here for, if not to keep being a nuisance?
Anyway, I am not here to batter words with you. Just go. I give you 5 hours.
Or what, Obi? You know what? If you want me to leave this house, I will leave it. But not before I drag you by the hair out the door with me.
You have no such rights. This is my son's house. He's a man that owns the house. Go to your house, woman.
Neither do you. Now stay out of my business, or I will give you the trouble you're angling for.
Was president 30 years ago, came back 30 years
Honey, that reminds me. Carol said her mom came around.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Yesterday.
This is not good, trust me.
Why?
It means war.
Well, I know Carol's mom is not a troublesome person. Besides, I'm sure she won't spare your mother if she messes with her. That's for sure.
That's why I'm saying it means war. My mom is something else. I just thank God she doesn't come here. Otherwise, I don't want to live in her for this house.
See, expo. So that's your plan, Abby?
I don't have time for that woman's headache.
So
it's the strangest mom I know.
Well, it's a good thing you're not like your brother. Else, Carol the learn walk. If I don't use my eyes, see something.
Look at you. It's easier said. You can just assume from afar. But when trouble comes knocking on your door, you would have done so many things before you even react.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, let us pray it doesn't come. Because trust me, I will react before I think.
Let's wait and see.
Mom.
Oh, look at her. She's so cute. So adorable. Oh, I love her. I love her so much.
She's indeed a blessing to the family.
Yes, so I pray God blesses me with one as gorgeous as she.
Amen. You shut up. Just listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself talk. Eh? Instead of you to pray like your mates for God to bless you, you're here asking for a curse.
Abba, Mama, how is this innocent child a curse?
Listen here. I don't know why we came to this house. I've been avoiding coming to your place so that you don't get me more angry. But you always come here to tax my patience. You had better be careful. Okwenania, you had better be very, very careful with me.
Mama, please, oh. I only came here to visit Carol's mother and this innocent, gorgeous child. If that is a problem for you, I'm sorry, but I cannot stop it, oh. I cannot stop it. Can't.
Elena is also here to celebrate with us. When you celebrate with people who have something to celebrate, God gives you something.
What are you celebrating? Eh? This misfortune. Is this misfortune worth celebrating?
Abba, Mama. Abba, now.
Now get up. Sheba, I said get up and leave. Leave this place. You've overstayed your welcome. Stupid thing. I said leave. Sheba, stay back. Go. Go to your husband's house. No here. Leno. Instead of you to pray to God that God should bless you with a bouncing baby boy, you're coming here to celebrate this girl child. Leno. Now no here.
Mom, hey, what's going on, baby?
Okay.
You don't look it.
Honestly, Mom, I never knew that my mother-in-law and my husband were this kind of people. Truly, I wouldn't have married him.
Yeah, that's a burden you have to bear. Sometimes people have to live with so much more in silence.
Oh, why? Why? It's not fair now. Is marriage supposed to be this hard? It shouldn't be a cross. If nothing, it should make life and living easier.
I know. That's what we all hope for. That's what we all hope for. But every marriage has its own cross. Believe me, some people live with heavier crosses in silence than you're living with. Take Elena, for instance, your sister-in-law. She's still begging for the fruit of the womb. Plus, she's got a mother-in-law like Obi taunting her, plus society to deal with.
But at least she has a caring and understanding husband like Chidi.
Yeah, that may be true. But we don't know how long he's going to be understanding for before he caves into pressure. Okay? So, what there is to it is this. This is your home. You have to guard it jealously. I'm here now. I'm going to help with the baby and a few things so you can spend time with your husband. Doesn't take long before men start acting single. Look at me. This is your home. Guard it jealously. Okay? Marriage is for better, for worse. And you've got to be on your guard all the time. Okay?
It's just so hard.
Hey, crack smile. Mommy's here. Come on. Hey, come on. Huh? It's gonna be all right.
Oh. You haven't given me the results of the scan. Or didn't you get the results?
I did. I did.
Okay. And?
It's a girl. A baby girl.
About it.
What?
I don't know if you're not listening to me. You are going to go to the hospital. And you're going to abort that bastard you have inside you. Okay? And don't even say a word to me about that. Just do what I said and abort it.
If you have nothing to say, I'm leaving the office.
Kelechi, why are you this insensitive?
Look who is talking. Father of all insensitivities. You get your wife pregnant with a baby girl and you're here accusing her of being the problem, when in fact it is you.
Look, Kelechi, I did not come here to argue with you. Rather, I came to talk to you as a friend. Look, I need you to change the sex of that child.
As the God that I have become. Come on, you need to talk like an educated man that I know you as. And if this is the reason why you're waiting for me or trying to disturb me, please, I have patients out there waiting for me to tend to them. Thank you. Nonsense.
You see, I don't really understand. Here I am begging God for even half a baby. And then my brother wants to get rid of the one that God has given to him on a platter of gold. I don't get this.
Chidi, I honestly, I don't know how I missed this. I don't know how I didn't see this coming. I thought it came was the best thing that happened to me, but now all I see is a monster. All I see, how did I miss this? How?
Carol, you need to calm down. Alright, I just want to know what your decision is on this matter. And I'm gonna help you everywhere I can.
My decision is that of any sensible mother. Today I can't kill my child. I can't kill my child simply because her father doesn't approve of her sex. I can't. What kind of mother would that make me? I'm going to give her life. She's my child. She's my child. I don't care what your brother thinks. I don't care about his stupid mentality. I don't care.
It's okay. If that's what you've decided to do, I'm going to support you. Alright? It's okay, you don't need to cry.
Thank you. Thank you, Chidi.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's alright.
Well, if it isn't the ingrate himself.
Elena, I beg your pardon. Are you stupid or something? No, do I look like your husband that you can talk to anyhow?
Oh, no. I will never be caught dead dating you.
Unless marry someone like you. You see, I'm tempted to say God is partial.
But I won't, because I believe he knows best. As he gave you, who doesn't want and refuses to bless the likes of me. But it's fine. It's fine.
Well, Elena, I think that should be a conversation that you should have with God directly.
But I'll tell you something. This will be the last time you ever insult me, because if you
ever do that again, you would cease to be a member of my family.
By running off to your mother, I guess, huh?
Watch your mouth.
Huh? You see, I'll tell you this. Carol is a strong woman. Because I wonder how she puts up with you. Honestly, how does she manage that? You see, Nkem, you make me sick!
Look.
Let me go straight to the point since we're all here. I summoned this meeting so that this girl here will know that she's just a wife and a daughter-in-law and not the head of this house. You all know that she disgracefully gave us a girl for a grandchild. And now she's yet pregnant again with another girl. Well, this is our decision. Carol, you will have to remove that thing, that girl in your stomach. You will not give birth to another girl in this family. Never. You have to remove it.
And why is that?
You know what? That is not going to happen.
It's fine, everyone. It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Mama has spoken. Now it's my turn to talk. Since these issues came up, I have said nothing. But I will speak now. So you all listen to me carefully. This child is mine. And she is growing in my body. Whoever that wants to get rid of her must go through me.
Meaning?
Meaning, if you want to kill my child, you will have to kill me first. Now, until that happens, I do not want to hear any more talk about my child, like she is a curse, from anyone. Please.
What's this?
Just hold on now. I said I was going to talk to you. And this is very important. See, you're a man. Alright? And you should not be allowing mother tell you what to do in your own house. It's very wrong.
So, are you advising I allow Carol continue in her stupidity?
I don't like to repeat myself. Alright? So I'm going to say this once and for all. A girl child is a child. Alright? If you do not like her, her mother does. Don't ask her to go abort a baby. It's wrong.
You see, the only problem I have with everything you have said is that it's actually coming from a man who cannot get his wife pregnant. You know, anything will look like a child to you, even as a dog, a small bingo. Huh? Go and fix yourself.
Hey, babe.
Yeah.
What is it now? Why are you like this? You've been this way since we returned from your brother's house. Oh, this is a heavy chair, but I can carry. Oh yeah. Talk to me. What's the matter?
I've been thinking of having a baby.
Thinking I don't understand, but we've been trying. Chidi, we have been trying.
I know we've been trying, but if God doesn't want to give us ours, I think we should adopt.
What? Add what?
Adopt.
What? Are you crazy? Are you okay? You think I'm going to take care of another woman's child? No way. Is that how stupid you think I am?
So what is wrong in adopting?
Everything is wrong with adopting. You want the world to laugh at me that I can't bring my own child into this world.
So you're now bothered about what the world will say?
Yes, I am, Chidi, and if you're not worried about this, then why are you this bothered?
Elena, adoption is the only option.
No. No, it's not. No, that is not an option. Chidi! Oh, Chidi, I'm serious.
You are a woman and a mother just like myself. I know you love your son very much, and I don't love my daughter any less. The constant troubles in this house is becoming disturbing. Our presence here should help them solve problems, not add to it.
Bia, are you by chance insinuating that I came here to add to their trouble?
Not at all. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that if they have problems, we should guide them to solve it, not further mislead them.
Oh, very good. I quite agree with you. In that case, guide your daughter. Make her see reason why she should get rid of that girl in her stomach. That is, if she still wants to remain my son's wife and my daughter-in-law.
Obi, you love your son very much. And I do not love my granddaughter or my daughter any less. I will do anything in my power to protect them. And nobody will hurt my grandchild as long as I'm here and I can do anything about it.
You're talking as if she's not supposed to be my granddaughter too.
Great, then act like it.
Mr. and Mrs. Obonna. Welcome.
Thank you.
So, Carol, how's the baby doing?
She's kicking.
Well, not for too long.
What was that supposed to mean?
Oh yes, it means that we are here to flush it off her system.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Okay, but you said you were following me for antenatal.
Oh, that's exactly what I did. Doctor, I think antenatal is defined as before labor. So we are here to flush off the baby before labor
to avoid it from happening.
Well, Mr. Nkem, Bonna, that is not happening. It can't happen. I do not approve of it.
Mr. Nkem, for your information, she's right. That baby can't be aborted without her consent.
Kelechi, you are supposed to be my friend, right?
Yes.
So why are you now talking like you are against me? Huh? Look, it's either you are for me or against me. So choose.
Nkem, for your information, I am for that innocent baby that you want to kill before meeting.
But for your information, I am the father. And as the father, I have decided.
Well, I am the mother, and I have also decided. Nobody is going to hurt my child. No one.
Okay. I will not talk much about this. All I will say is, I leave you with an option. Either you remove that bastard in your stomach, or you don't come back to the house. Do you understand? Do what is right and proceed with this abortion.
It's okay. Everything will be fine. It's okay.
The nerve of that husband of yours. They've said all they have to say. Now they have to listen to what we have to say. I know I've always asked you to fight for the peace and growth of your family. But if it will take the life of my grandchild for there to be peace, then this entire house might as well burn. Your father's house is still your house, and I will welcome you and the children with open arms. If they ask you to leave because you say no, then get ready because we are leaving.
It's okay. Candy, remember, I support you because you always reason like me. If she wants to keep the child, good and fine, but she will have to leave our house. Oh, Yana.
Oh, don't worry about that. See, I know Carol very well. She'd rather get rid of that baby than leave this house. Yes.
No problem, but in that case, you have to marry another wife. Another wife that will give us a son. Because that's what I want to. I just want a son for a grandchild.
And I know I want that too. But don't worry, Carol would give me that son.
Okay.
Whether she likes it or not. She has no choice on this.
I know. That's why I love you so much. Because, I mean, you're a man. You're in control of your home. You're not like that's your weakling of a brother.
Oh, you mean my sister? She is a girl. Pay no attention to him. He has nothing to offer.
Don't worry. I'll soon have his time. Trust me.
I've made a decision.
Fine. So tomorrow we go and see the doctor so they can flush off this thing from your stomach.
Who said anything about going to see a doctor to have an abortion?
Well, you said you've made a decision. So, I mean, do you have any other plans or way of getting an abortion if not going to the hospital?
Okay. You know, it's obvious you don't know me. It's obvious that you are totally clueless about the kind of woman that I am. If you think that I will... If you think for a second that I will pick this idea of a marriage over the life of my child, then you are mistaken. I will not kill my child.
Good thing you said your child.
Yeah, I do not agree to Carol leave the house. But on second thought, I think that's the best thing for everyone. Because the other day, when Mama spoke to me, I could only realize what she was going through.
But don't you think you should adopt like your husband suggested?
Mama, even you too. Oh, okay, why should I take care of another woman's child?
Because in the eyes of the law, when you adopt, the child is exactly like your own. Nobody can take the child from you.
Yes, but that doesn't get rid of the fact that the child belongs to somebody else.
If you continue with this attitude, you're never going to make yourself happy, you know. Besides which, there's something else I know about adopted children. They bring good fortune to the families that adopt them.
It's not... It's difficult, Mama.
Because you want it to be. It's an amazing thing to do. And heaven will smile on you.
Nkem, I want to talk to you.
What is it?
Nkem, you have done a lot of stupid things in your life. Some we just overlook. But letting Carol leave your house, what were you thinking?
Well, Mom thinks it's okay if she wants to.
Who is married to Carol? Is it mother or you? What are you talking about? See, if you let that woman leave, alright, you're going to regret it for the rest of your life.
Well, she decided to leave.
Yeah, that's because you made her choose between her unborn child and staying in this house. And every mother will do the same thing she's doing. For the first time in your life, do what your man tells you to do and not what mother tells you to do. What's wrong with you? You're a grown-up man now. You still have time, oh. You still have time to stop her. Use your head, Nkem, and save your marriage.
Carol, you are going nowhere. This is your house and you're going to remain here. Okay?
And why is that? Eh? She chose to leave than to abort that girl in her stomach. It's her choice, so let her go.
Mama, Carol is going nowhere. She's my wife and she remains in this house. And that is fine now.
Okay. Here you go.
Not even a welcome for your husband? Huh?
You will get more than that the day my girl stop being afraid of you and running at the slightest sound of your horn.
Well, I'm just coming back from work. And I believe those girls are brilliant. Brilliant enough to know that their presence irritates me. And that's why they run upstairs. Maybe you should try and be brilliant. I do the right thing. When next I come back from work, greet me. That's the right thing to do. Okay?
Girls, I'm sorry. I hope you can sincerely forgive me for not standing up to your father enough to grant you freedom in your own house. I'm sorry.
But Mom, for how long will this last? We're getting tired of it. Other children in school talk about how they play with their parents and their father, but all we can talk about is you, like we have no father. Mom, is he really our father?
Of course.
I don't like him.
No, darling, listen. That is not a good way to talk about your father. Dad is not happy, yes, but with time, things will change, I promise.
Is it because we're not boys?
Where did you get that from?
Grandma told us. And Dad said the same thing. That if we were boys, his life would be better off.
Well, listen, girls. You know I love you. I love you all very much. I love you to the moon and back. And guess what? I love that you are girls and not boys.
Are you sure?
You don't believe me?
We do. Don't worry.
Come here, come give me here. Come here. Give me a nice one.
Chidi is just plain stupid. Chidi, my brother, is just plain stupid. No, how dare he? How did he chase you out of his house because of that his stupid Umweke wife?
But it happened. Hey! Chidi. Chidi. If anyone had told me that Chidi, my son, that I carried in my womb for 9 months, suckled him. If anyone had told me that Chidi would do something like this, I would have placed the curse on that person for thinking ill of my son. Chidi chose his wife over Mwa.
Mama, I blame you for this one. Mama, I blame you because I told you not to go to Chidi's house for anything. Hey, this is your house and you can stay here for as long as you want. But no, you decide to carry yourself and go to his house to do what now? Now look at his stupid wife calling you all sorts of names. What rubbish is this now?
Chidi. And as for that one that calls herself Elena, I know where she is now. She'll be jubilating, thinking that she has collected my son from me. But that will not happen, no. Oh man, She cannot win. Never. Omame.
I've told you times without number, and I will still say it again. That person that you call Chidi is not a son. That is your daughter. He's a girl. Because how can you explain his inability to give a woman to get a woman pregnant? Eh?
It's not his fault. It's that girl's fault. It's that girl, that stupid girl. Anyway.
Nonsense.
Sobrano, I know what to do. Well, let me go up to my room.
Don't go to the house again.
Okay.
This is your house. Stay here for as long as you want.
Okay. No problem. Thank you. Let me go off to my room.
Okay, let me watch the news and I'll come and meet you.
My duty is to be your eyes till the days when we're older. If you're feeling down and blue, you can rest on my
You've been like this since your mother got back. Is it because of what she said Chidi did?
Carol, from the sound of your question, you sound like you don't believe my mother is telling the truth.
We both know your mother and brother. I don't think Chidi can't do a thing like that if your mother hadn't provoked him.
Are you listening to yourself at all? You just called my mother a troublemaker.
Is that far from the truth?
Carol.
You know what? I'm sorry. I don't know what really happened, but all I'm saying is, I'm sure this, you and Chidi can talk about this and iron things out. It shouldn't be that serious. Meanwhile, the kids, their school fees need to be paid at least by tomorrow. Else they'll be sent home from school. I'd been telling you this even before the term started, but anyway, the deadline is tomorrow.
So how is that my business? How is that my problem? Look, Carol, I've been taking care of your children for some time now. And I think I've done enough. I have really, really tried. So if they want to chase them away from school, they should chase them away now. Eh? There's enough space in the house here. They can come and play in one of the rooms up there, or they can go and learn a trade. I see their mates on the streets every day selling granite and things. So they should join them.
See, listen, if what my mom said to you is hurting you this much, then you should reconsider your stand in adopting a baby.
Please, if you don't have anything good to say, please, for the love of God, just leave me alone, please.
You see, that's the problem. Alright? You want to treat this problem like it's yours alone. I've not seen anything wrong in adopting a baby.
But there is! There's something wrong, okay? And I will not allow you pressure me
Then
into
do whatever you want to do. Go ahead and do what you want to do.
Fine.
You act like you're the only one that's in this nonsense.
Don't let you pressure me. I want my own child. God, I want my own child.
Who is this? I'm coming. School fees? The kids were sent home from school today because of school fees.
Wow.
That's all you can say? Wow.
He heard you. And that's all he can say. You decided to give these children, those your girls, decided to give them life against our wishes. My son has been taking care of them right from birth. So, my dear young lady, it is now your responsibility to take care of those your girls. You know,
Mama, that's fine. If it has come down to this, that's okay. I'm capable of taking care of my children. My darling husband, since this is what the case is now, I have to get a job so I can earn money and take care of my children, our children. Now that it is my responsibility to do that, I would like to get a job.
My darling wife, as I've told you before, time and time again, and I'll add it one more time. You're not working. Not in this house or in this marriage.
So how am I supposed to take care of the girls?
You should have thought about it before, going to have those girls. You adamantly did not listen to us. Not my problem. Please, do you have small salt? You need sprinkle on this thing. It's tasteless.
Very tasteless food. By the way, why is it that anytime one settles down to eat, you come up with one stupid talk or the other? Take back your tasteless food. I'm no longer eating.
See, I don't really understand this madness. I don't get what has come over this man. You know what, if he's not going to train your kids, I'm going to pay for their fees. Yes, I would give you money, pay for their fees, get them anything you want to get for them. You need to send me your account details so I can do a transfer.
Chidi, thank you. Thank you. I don't know how else to show my appreciation. I don't even know why you are this kind to me. I don't know how you can be the exact opposite of your brother, but...
It's alright, Kawi, you don't have to cry. You know, sometimes God blesses people and they don't even recognize it. That's how unfair this life is.
Chidi, I believe that God will answer your prayers. His delays are not denials. He will come through for you. I believe that. I mean, you're a kind man.
Amen.
He will. You're an amazing person, so why won't he answer? His timing is always right.
It's alright, just send me the account number. Oh, just call it out so I can do the transfer now.
Okay, 011 066.
Carol! Carol! Has it now gotten to the point that you go to meet my younger brother, Chingy, and tell him every little thing happening in my house? Huh?
Nke, what's the meaning of this now? What is this? Is that why you have to beat me? Eh? You call not paying your children's school fees little? Okay? Not paying your children's school fees, you call it a little thing? Well, I'm sorry, I do not share in that opinion of yours. Chidi, is it not your younger brother? Is it not family? It's not like I went to the street begging random people. Listen, I am a mother that wants her children to be educated, so anything, whatever it is I can do to make sure that happens, I will do it. Even if it makes me begging your brother, we beg him.
Let me tell you something. All this one that you are shouting like a teacher, and they put feet. Talking to you.
Okay.
If you ever as much as collect a dime from my brother or any other person, Carol, I will send you and those your little teachers to the street so fast you won't even notice it. If you like, dare me and see. Just dare me and see.
That's what you're telling me, Abi?
Yes.
Then clearly, you do do not know the
All
kind
I'm
of
saying
woman
is,
that I am.
dare me,
You don't know
and
the
you
kind
will
of
see
mother that
if
I
I
am.
will do it or not.
What
If I will
will
not
you
test you
What
and your
will
kids
you do?
to the street.
For
Try
what?
and see.
For what?
Just try
All
me.
I'm trying to do is get them a decent education. That should be your responsibility as a father. Work, you will not let me work. I tell them if you get a job, you say no. I go and beg your own brother, you say no. What do you want me to do? Sit down and watch my children become illiterate? I will show you. There's so many ways to skin a rat. You want to do this with me, Abi? No problem. I will show you. No problem.
Mom, Dad may have paid our school fees. And why are you taking us to school? Mom, I don't want to be disgraced today.
Listen, do you think Mommy would want to see you get disgraced?
No, Mom.
Don't worry. I'm paying your school fees today.
Really? Did Dad give you the money?
Listen, whether or not your father... Whether your father gives me money or not, I will pay your school fees. I will move heaven and earth to make sure that I provide all that you girls need. Everything you deserve. That's how much I love you girls.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Okay, let's go. Can you get your sister's bag?
What's the meaning of this? Why are you drinking Gary in my house?
Mom, I've been starving since morning. Your wife says there's no food in the house and that there's no money to buy food. So what do I do?
What's the meaning of that? I gave her money some few days ago to stock up the house.
You had better go and sort it out with her because this is the last time that I will ever drink Gary in my son's house. Oma Mezi.
Leave that to me. I'll handle it. Carol, why did you tell my mother there was no food in the house? Because I thought I gave you money some few days ago to stock up the whole house.
Oh, that's sorry. I used the money to pay the children's school fees. Sorry, I forgot to tell you.
You used the money to do what?
You heard me. I paid our children's school fees with the money.
As what now?
As their mother.
Mom. Where did you get this food from? Grandma said there's no food in the house.
Do you think Mommy would watch her princesses starve? Just eat, please. Eat your food, okay?
Mom, did you use the feeding money to pay our fees?
What does it matter? Your fees have been paid. You have food to eat. That's all I want you to worry about. As for this battle, I will make sure that you girls do not lack anything.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Even if you're... Mommy will do anything for her girls, okay? Oh. Thank you. Will you share this with your sister? Share this with them. Anything, take this one. Share it with your sister.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. 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 Thank you.
Yes, so what is it? Is everything okay?
I accept
You accept what?
the adoption.
Oh. Are you serious?
Do I have a choice?
Come on, you don't have to make it sound that way, please.
Well, my case is bad as it is. What else could go wrong?
See, baby, I promise you, right? We're in this together. And I'm gonna be with you to the very end. Okay? It's okay. It's alright.
Put A here. P, T, N, T. Then put E, F. Put G, H.
Can I have the baby back?
Take, I'll go and get mine.
Chima, what is it? Why are you not saying anything? It's nothing, I'm just worried.
About what?
About the way Dad has been treating us and Mom in this house. It's so not fair. But what can we do? I think we should go talk to him. He's our father after all, and we've never spoken to him before.
That's my fear. Will he even listen to us? Remember he warned us never to come to his presence again.
He's gonna shout at us. That's what we all think, but we can only be sure if we try.
Make sure that's the right thing.
Let's tell Mom first. She'll never agree. She's done everything for us. I think it's time we do something for her.
Adoption. Gideon, you mean adoption? Huh? Gideon, I thought you said you are a man. Oh no, a real man. Because you know, it's not just enough to have, and you now call yourself a man. Huh? So, you have a wife, a woman by your side, and you cannot get her pregnant. It's now resulting to training somebody else's child. No.
Okay, Mom. I mean, what do you expect from two empty heads? Eh? You want to go and adopt? Chidi you want to go and adopt? You don't even know if that child that you adopted, if he's a child of a prostitute, an armed robber, or even a mad woman. You want to go and adopt. Don't bring curse into our family. Mom. Don't bring curse into our family.
Mama,
I tell you.
This is totally unnecessary. They only came here to share this good news, and instead of encouraging them, we're here discouraging them. It's not nice.
Lenoya, am I surprised? Of course I'm not. I mean, what do I expect from another empty head? So you're supporting this madness that they should go and adopt? Eh? Chidi.
Well, Mama, if you don't agree to this, please, by all means, can you come and have children for your son? Because I'm tired of all this drama. I'm tired.
Damn it, Sharon. Lenoge, you can't even give my child, even a small little baby. You want to go and adopt?
Mom, I don't think there's any need for anybody to worry.
We're not worried.
Thank you. We just thought that we should come and tell you guys what we have decided to do.
Eh?
It's not as though we are seeking your permission. And we've succeeded in doing that.
Chidi!
Thank you, sweetheart. Let's go.
Chidi! Know what you're doing, oh. Know what you're doing. Don't go and bring curse into our family, oh. You can? I better go to your brother.
There is no... This one is not even a man.
Doesn't mean he wants to go and adopt. If she cannot give you a child, let him go and marry another woman.
Mama, it's possible that there's even a daughter.
Yeah.
She has baby.
Oh.
What are you doing here? Huh? I thought I told you, never come down to the parlor when I am here.
Sorry, Dad.
Shut up. Now let me tell you girls something. I am not your father. I cannot be a father to maggots. Now go and tell your mother. Ask her to tell you who your real father is. Now get out.
Dad.
Get out!
How can the children of a rich man dress in this kind of clothes? Where is the car that you went out with?
Oh, the car. I didn't come back with it.
So where is it?
I sold it.
What is this I'm hearing about you selling my car?
Oh, she has told you.
Eh? Will you answer my question and stop asking me foolish questions?
Okay. The children's clothes were worn out. They needed new clothes. So I had to buy them.
I don't understand.
I had to buy them new clothes now.
Carol, you said you sold my car because your daughter's clothes were worn out.
Okay, what did you want me to do? Eh? What did you want me to do? I said let me work. You say no. I even went as far as asking for help. Still, that got you upset. I had to use what I have to get what I want.
Carol, I am going to give you 30 minutes to go and get my car for me. Or else.
Or else what? Eh? Okay. Or else what? Listen, I am a mother. And I will take care of my children anywhere I know how. If you don't want to be a responsible father, that's fine. I can cover up for you. But as per this your car, my husband, Onago, I don't know where you want me to get it back from.
My car is gone.
Yes, your car is gone. And if my children lack any other thing in this house, I will keep selling. I will even sell this house.
What
To
I'm
me,
trying to
if I
understand
have
is
to.
that you're telling me my car has gone. Eh?
Your car is what is this?
Let me see my car. Then you know who is not in this house, okay? Let me see it.
This is what you want to do, Abi? Come and eat. You will eat today. You will eat today. I will sell. I will keep selling. Matter of fact, I will sell your mother.
Give me now. Meet them. me continue there. Let me burn this rubbish. What nonsense? Of where?
She's really taking so.
She's very, very stupid. What nonsense? Man, can do this? Of where? Carol.
Yeah.
Carol, are you mad? Carol, are you mad? These are my new clothes.
Your new clothes.
My new clothes.
Let me see anything
happen. Oh, so you want to burn my new clothes?
No,
I dare you.
I will burn you. I'll be burn the clothes. Try me, Mama. I said try me. Try me. I'm doing too much. Try me. You want to burn my new clothes? What do you mean? 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 This is the problem. Leave me alone. Don't burn your clothes. For what? For what? God is let me see now. No, come back here. Oh, don't go walk in. Come back and come and burn clothes. Don't say. Let me see anything happen to my children. Carol. This girl is becoming too hot to handle. Can you imagine? You're becoming too calm. This is unlike you. You have to teach that girl a lesson of her life.
Carol almost burnt my clothes. My clothes?
Because of those tiny demons that she calls her daughters.
Man, this is not the Carol I know. Carol has changed completely. The Carol I know would never go against me. Talk more of burn my clothes. It was as if I'm living with another woman in my house.
This is the real Carol that you married. This is your real wife. Don't you know that all this while that she has been pretending? Now she has brought out her true color.
Well, Mama, I must do something fast. Because if I don't something fast, I will become a stranger in my house.
Mama, man, that one will not happen. You're the boss
no
of
way
the
it can
house.
happen.
You are the boss.
No
you
way.
have to show her that you're the boss. You teach her a lesson. Useless girl.
Carol, of yesterday.
What is it? What? Sit down. Sit down. This is your father's house, so you have the right to eat at the table. Sit and eat. Eat your food.
Carol, I'm very sure you know, and they know, that your presence irritates me.
Fine. Then you should leave.
What?
Yes, Mama. If their presence here irritates you or you have a problem seeing them, then you should leave. Because clearly you're the one with the problem, not them. They have avoided you all their lives, but I say no more. If you have a problem seeing these kids here, then my darling, grab your teacup, take your saucer, get bread, and go and find somewhere else to eat.
So they're going to stay here?
Yes, they are staying here. Yes, they are staying here.
In my house?
It's their father's house. Eat. Eat your food. Eat. Mommy's here. Nothing is happening to you.
Never say never. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. My duty is to be your eyes till the days when we're older. If you're feeling down and blue, you can rest on my shoulder. I hope we'll never say bye. Don't tell you lies. A woman's pride is a truth I found inside of you. I know go lie when you're mine. I'm all of you. Your style and your attitude made me fall for you. I don't mean to be rude. Can I teach in school? A woman's right. woman's pride.
It's ready. Popcorn. You remember when she went to see that the woman and the child? Now. It's from there. Oh, no. Well, I like her too, but I feel like...
Ladies welcome to your new room. This is the dining table. I have so many rooms upstairs. That's the mini parlor.
Okay.
Yes.
What is this? What is the meaning of this? Who is she? And what do you mean by this is your new home?
Oh, wow. I'm sorry, my manners. This is Sophia. She's my wife to be. Oh. Yes.
She's your what?
Okay, let me make myself audible enough. This is Sophia. She's my wife to be. And she's also expecting my son in her belly, her stomach. Sophia is my soon to be wife.
Oh, Mekanaya. How deeper. Do deeper, mama. Nemo.
Let me carry her things upstairs.
Welcome, eh? It's not Dimi. You're pregnant.
Yes, with the boy.
So you're going to give us a boy. Hey, mama. Hey, you could no. Hey, take her upstairs.
Mama, did you make anything at
Oh, okay. So can you tell me what is wrong with me?
Well, here you go. Have it. Take a look at it.
I don't understand. This says 6 weeks pregnant?
Well, it's a miracle. You are 6 weeks pregnant. Congratulations, madam.
Wow. That's what I feel like doing right now.
What is it? Okay, so I know you went to the doctor. Calm down and tell me what did he say?
According to the doctor,
Okay.
me,
Yeah?
Nena Chidi Oboni,
Tell me about
is
it.
about to become a mother.
Are you serious?
I'm so happy. Oh, dance to me, honey.
All right, let's do
Dance
it.
to me.
You know I'm not very good at this. You know I love you so much, right? What was the meaning of that? Okay. How dare you?
Carol, you need to stop. Didn't I remind you? I am the head of this family. And as an African man that I am, and the owner of this house where you and your children live in, I can do whatever I want.
however I want.
You have embarrassed me. You have embarrassed me. You have disgraced me. You have embarrassed me enough. And I won't take it anymore. I will not take it. I will not share my home with your mistress. I will not.
If you don't want to stay, you can live with your children. Do you understand me?
Wow. That's your plan, right? To get me to leave my home for another woman. For another woman to take over. Okay, I will not grant you this satisfaction. You hear me? If your plan is to deny me what my children and I are entitled to, then my darling, you have failed. You have failed because I won't leave. This is my home and I will stay here. She met me here. Be careful, Onkem, this thing that you're doing, be careful. Because you are creating a monster, be careful. The day this monster will rise up and eat you up, it can be careful. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ashamed of yourself?
You should be ashamed.
You have been in this house for how many years and you cannot give me a boy? Now she's about to give me a boy and you can't tell me nonsense.
Yeah. Let me just sit this one. Stay away from me! What is that supposed to mean?
Sorry, Mom, I just wanted to greet you.
So you have to touch me to make that happen? By the way, have you cleaned up the dishes?
No.
No. So what are you doing here? My friend, would you go inside and clean up that place?
But Mommy, please, I'm late for school. I have to go now.
Ta!
When I come back, I'll clean it.
Shut up! When I come back, I'll clean it. Look, before I open my eyes and close it, Tracy, I want to see you in there cleaning that place nicely. Oh yeah?
But Mom...
Did you hear what I said? Eh? Good morning, Mom.
I already put my prayer. Do you want me to add?
Mama, hey, Lemon, how are you?
I'm fine, Mama.
Now for a woman. Sit down. Where's mine? Yeah. Carol, where is Sophia's tea? Sophia?
Who?
Sophia, of course.
Mama, I didn't open my door to anyone by that name. So I don't have any family member or friend or guest that goes by the name Sophia.
How dare you talk to me in that manner? You're evil. You mean you did not make tea for your husband's guests?
Mama, you just said it. My husband's guests. So my husband should come down and look after his guests. Do not mistake my simplicity for stupidity. I'm a good woman. I even allowed her a seat at my table, but to make a cup of tea for her, I will not do that.
This is unfair. Mama, this is unfair. Is this how you treat your husband's fiancé?
You know, if we were to look at it from that point of view, I wouldn't be offering you a seat at my table. Rather, I would be bathing you with hot water. Not offering you tea. But they say you are pregnant. So that's fine. Too good a woman to hurt an innocent child. But please, Sophie or Sophia, stay in your lane. I beg you in the name of God. Stay in your lane and cautiously avoid mine. If you want a cup of tea, I'm sure you know where the kitchen is. Fix yourself with that tea and leave me to my peace.
Don't mind her. She's a witch.
Mama, did you hear?
It's okay. She's evil. Don't mind her.
I want to kill my baby.
You can have mine.
My son.
It's okay. Have mine. Go and
You're
get
evil. You're wicked.
It's okay. Don't get yourself worked up, For the sake of the baby, don't get yourself worked up. Hey, is it too hot?
Hey, Mama, it's hot.
Imagine, she made very hot tea.
Mom, why did Dad bring another woman to the house? That's because he's a bad person.
Don't say that. Don't say anything like that, okay? Your father is not a bad person. He's a good man.
But Mom...
He just doesn't think right sometimes.
Dad said she's pregnant. What if she gives birth to a baby boy? Would that mean we have to leave the house?
Listen. It doesn't matter what she gives birth to. Okay? That will not affect us. You know why? Because your mother is here. And I will make sure that nobody denies you your rights in this house. Even if I have to go the legal way, I will.
Mom, what do you say?
Don't worry. Radius equals 14 centimeter, right? So circumference is 2. Just try and...
Kneel down there. How many times did I ask you to wash the toilet? Answer me, I'm talking to you. How many times did I ask you to wash this toilet? Don't let... Do you think that's something you're supposed to be doing?
What's the meaning of this now? What's wrong with you? Why are you handling this innocent girl like this now? What's the problem? What has she done?
Innocent. This girl has become very lazy. So lazy that she can't do anything right in this house. Nothing. Such a waste.
Hey, listen, Elena. I don't know what she has done to her and this nonsense that you're doing. But she's a little girl. Don't be too harsh on her. What's that?
Oh, so I see. So now I'm doing bad by trying to discipline this child, I'm doing bad, Abby? No problem. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Excuse me.
Get up, it's okay. Get up, sorry. Sorry, okay?
This is strange. I don't even understand. What informed this sudden change?
I don't know. It's just the mood swings that come with pregnancy.
Well, maybe, but I'm concerned. Why is it all channeled toward Tracy?
My point exactly. I mean, that girl has suffered already. She suffered so badly.
It's okay. I'll speak to Elena. I'm sure she'll come around.
I just hope you'll change. I mean, these days I can't even... I'm scared to leave the house, not knowing what I will meet when I come back.
It's well. Things will sort itself out. Okay?
Thank you, Carol.
For nothing.
Your wife just insulted me. She practically told me that this is her house and I have no rights in this house. She said that I am a guest in this house. That's why I'm living in the guest room while she is living in here with you.
Sophia, are you sure she said all this?
She said all this and more. That's why I've come to tell you that I want to move into this room with you so she can move out.
Sophia, look, it's not as easy as it sounds. You know, it takes some time.
You're not going to do it. Okay, watch me leave your house.
Sophia. I'll look into it. Okay?
Better to...
I'll take care of the situation.
Do something about it.
something about it.
I'm proud. Yeah.
Once upon a time, there once lived a king who had 12 beautiful daughters, but not as beautiful as my princesses. All the princesses slept in one room and
I can see that you are beginning to brag about this house like it's your own.
what has your little witch told you this time?
Well, I'm here to gossip with you. I just came to tell you to pack your things and move out of our room. Oh no, sorry. It's actually my room. Okay? I need to create space for someone more deserving. Not someone that would give birth to little chihuahuas who can only run around the house.
But Dad...
Shut up your female mouth. And don't speak when I'm speaking. Ever. Again. It's okay, darling. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Listen, Nikem. I really don't have a problem moving out of your room. You know why? Because it's useless me being there anyway. Since all I do there is sleep. I might as well move in with my girls and sleep here, so it's fine. I'll leave.
Do you want to know what I think? I really don't care about your opinion. It's insignificant. Just like your kids. Just pack your things and leave, okay?
I will move in them. Or don't you think that I will someday leave this house for someone else? Because that day will never come. So, Mom, that is what has been happening to me in my husband's house.
So, this is what you've been going through. You're stronger than I thought. You know what? This is your home. You're not going to let Nkem and his new one drive you out of it. You're going to stay and fight. Alright? You're not going to let him drive you and the children out on the street.
Your Mom, living with Nkem and his mother all these years made me develop a thick skin. I'm a fighter. Mom, I will fight. I will see to the end of this.
I am so proud that you're my daughter. I am so proud to be your mother. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be fine. Okay? It's okay. It's fine. It's gonna be okay.
Daddy.
Yeah?
Mommy is going to send me away.
No, don't say that. Don't say that, okay? Mommy can't send you away. You're not going anywhere, alright? You know why? Because this is your house, okay? Like, please calm down, okay? You know I love you, Nobody is taking you away from me. This is your house, okay? Alright, so I can get you pizza right now. I could even take you to Disneyland if you want to. Come on, smile for me. Smile for me. That's my girl, it's okay. It's alright. Alright, get up, let's go. Yeah, take it.
Babes? Can I ask you a question?
Okay.
Don't you think it's about time we go to the hospital and run a scan?
What for?
Well, we need to determine the sex of the baby in your womb.
It's you that puts it there, so you should know it's a boy.
I know, it's me that put it in, so I know what I put inside, but it's also very important that we know exactly what is inside your stomach.
Well, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I know he's a boy. I have all the signs that shows that he's a boy. So I'm sorry to disappoint you. I'm not going for any scan and that's final.
Out of my house! I don't need you here. What? Tracy, don't let me. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. What's my business? Come on, get up from here. Please. Think I'm joking with you? Please. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mommy, please. Mommy, please. Mommy, please. Did you hear me? Mommy, out. Mommy, please. Please. Did you hear me? Mommy, please. Mommy, please. I don't care. I don't want to see you here again. Do you hear me? I don't want to see you here again. Out! Mommy, please open the gate. I don't have anywhere to go. Please, I don't have anywhere to go.
I've been asking you about Tracy since I got back. Where is she?
I sent her back to where she came from.
I don't understand.
I sent her away.
You sent Tracy away?
Maybe I've been begging you for months and you refused. So I sent her away.
Listen, if anything happens to Tracy, I'm gonna hold you responsible. You better go find her! Hello, please, did you see a little girl? Yeah, she's light-skinned, she has a full hair. Please,
Yeah, I think I saw her.
You did?
Yeah.
Where? Please
Down
tell me.
there, by your left. You see her there.
Are you
Just
saying
30
right
minutes
or
ago.
left?
Yeah.
That's left.
Left.
Okay, thank you.
How's my wife and baby?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Chidi. It was a stillbirth. I'm so sorry.
No.
Thank you. Bouncing baby boy.
Give me the good news. Just give me the good news. I knew that Sophia was going to get a bouncing baby boy. Yes. You know, I knew that the only mistake I had in my life was marrying that girl, Carol. After all these years of praying, God has finally given me a baby boy.
Hey, God, I thank you. I knew it. I knew that this my new daughter-in-law would give us a bouncing baby boy. And I've been begging that stupid Carol for over 10 years.
Just give me the good news. Let me confirm to my mother.
Mother and the child.
Fantastic, fantastic.
Do you know what? I am going to name that boy Kelechi. Just because it came through you. That means thank you, God. In fact, we are going to buy a car for her. So the whole time we'll know that she has given it to our son.
She deserves it. Hey,
Mama, Cam, I don't know where you got your information from, but Sophia gave birth to a baby girl. Yes.
Kelechi, go inside and check again and come out with the right result. Because I am very, very sure that what she gave birth to was a boy. So don't even say anything. Just go inside there and come out with the right result. Sophia gave birth to a boy because I know that put in there was a boy. I'm very sure you're joking.
She gave birth to a bouncing baby girl. Congrats.
Hey! How? Oh, I can't see Joe. Come on. Hey.
We lost the baby. I lost my only child even before I got to meet him.
I guess you're happy now. I mean, you've succeeded in killing our only child, so you should be happy.
What? Say, what are you saying, Gigi?
What were you expecting, Alina? Treating an orphan the way you did? You honestly expect that God is going to give you yours? Huh? Listen, Alina. Listen good. You killed our only child. You killed our only baby. And I'm never gonna forgive you for it.
Gigi, what are you saying? Gigi, what are you saying now? Goodbye. Hey, congratulations, darling. Oh, isn't she beautiful?
I hope you feel good now. You've robbed me of your bad luck.
If by bad luck you mean your child, then that's a horrible thing for a mother to say.
I know you're here to mock me, but never mind. I feel mocked already, so you can leave.
Sophia, I'm not here to mock you. But if my presence upsets you, then I understand. I'll leave. I brought you hot water and some pepper soup. See you when you get home.
Come back. Come and carry your rubbish. I don't need them.
okay that they have stopped distributing boys from wherever they give the children from them. Just girls. What did I do with a girl child in my life?
I don't know why God should punish us by giving us just girls. Why? What have we done? Hey?
Maybe I need to change the days that I'm trying to. Look here. What are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing in my house? What are you doing here?
So you abandoned us at the hospital?
So after I have suffered to put in a boy inside your womb, you went to the hospital and came back with a girl. Eh? Okay, let me make it easy for you. You will go inside the room now and you will pack your things and leave my house, never to return.
You lie! Ikem, you lie! I'm not going anywhere! I'm not going anywhere, Ikem!
You think I'm joking?
I'm not going anywhere!
When you go upstairs here, back at him and all of you. What's wrong with you? This time. Sophia, go upstairs and tell Sally this house.
You lie! I'm not going anywhere! Shut up!
No, Nkem. No one does this to me and goes free. You hate my child, don't you? Fine. This baby will be your downfall. This I promise you. I promise you. Officers. Okay.
Officer, look, I don't know what happened here. I did not do anything.
Mr. Ikem Igbona, you are under arrest for domestic violence and murder. Anything you say now is going to be used against you in the court of law. You have right to your lawyer. When you get to the station.
I swear.
You killed my daughter! Again! Even though you hate her so much, you don't have to kill her to prove a point. Again! No! Again! No! Hey! Nkem Derim, what is happening to you? What? Who did this to you?
Mama, I did not do this. Mama, I swear to God, I did not kill anybody. I did not do anything, Mama.
I know, I believe you.
It is all a setup, Mama.
I know. You're my son. I brought you up very well. You're not capable of killing a soul, of hurting anyone. I know you didn't do it. I believe you're my son, I do. We brought a snake into our house and now she's destroying us.
Sophia will pay for this. I swear to you, Sophia, I will pay for this, Mama.
It's okay. I know. Let's look for a way to get out of this place. Everything is working against you. Everything is working against you, my son. Hey!
I'm scared, Mama.
Hey.
Mama, I'm scared.
Don't be scared, my son. It's okay. It's okay, Mom. It's okay. My friend, this child is supposed to be my meal ticket to success, to wealth. But since she has decided to come to this worthy girl, I can't allow her to mess things up for me. They say desperate times calls for desperate measure. She's more useful to me dead than alive. Let's watch out and see how all these dramas unfold.
How are you?
See for yourself. How do I look?
It is well.
I never expected to see you here.
I'm not like you. Irrespective of everything, you're still my husband. And the father of my children.
How are they?
Who?
The girls.
They're fine. Send their regards.
What do you think?
About?
Do you think I did it?
Doesn't matter. Why?
Because you're my wife. What you think matters a lot to me.
What do you want me to say?
I want you to say the truth. Do you think I killed that innocent child?
Okay. You can be a lot of things. But you are not a murderer.
Thank you. Thank you. It really means a lot to me.
What kind of trouble do you think he deserves it? In fact, he deserves more than he's already getting. He needs to suffer for all the things he did to us and Mom.
I agree with you. I just wish we could live as a happy family. But that won't happen with Dad going to prison.
Wishing for a happy family is like asking for too much. I prefer Mom alone. Yes, she's both Mom and Dad to us. She's everything we need. You have a point there.
Please, girls, I'm hungry. Let's just go and eat. And let's just forget about that for now.
Hello, Daddy. I missed you.
I missed you too, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine. Auntie has been taking good care of me.
I trust you will.
So, Daddy, how is Mommy?
Um, Mommy is fine.
So, how has she been coping with the death of her child?
She's fine. She will be fine. But there's something very important I would want to discuss with you.
What's it?
Would you want to go back home?
Do you want the truth?
Yes, I want the truth, but I will not pressure you.
I want to stay here. I'm happy. I'm fine staying here. I don't want to go back. I don't like seeing Mommy angry with me whenever she sees me.
Okay, it's fine. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Thank you. So, I got something for you. It's in the car. Do you want to do it now?
Yes.
Alright, let's go.
Girls, I thought I asked somebody to call Grandma so she can come have dinner.
Yes, we did, Mommy, but she refused to eat. She's just in her room looking sad.
Well, I guess that arrest is affecting her.
It's okay, just eat your food, I'll deal with that. I hope you like it.
Yes, Mom. Thank you, Mom. It's delicious.
You're welcome. Starving yourself will not do you any good, or your son. You need to be strong for him. And you also need your energy, all the energy you can get to withstand whatever comes out of this case. So you have to eat.
You've gotten what you always wanted, isn't it?
I don't understand.
You finally sent my son to jail by your inability to give us a male child.
I'm sorry, but what is the connection? How am I the problem?
If you had given your husband a male child, you wouldn't have had the cost to go and bring that demon home.
Blame it on your son. Because there's so many women out there. Why did he choose that particular one? Why? Oh, it's pointless. It's pointless. It's always been difficult trying to reason with you. I mean, with everything that's happening, with all the problems that we are facing, that you are facing, somehow you still find a way to blame every other person but yourself. God. It's fine. Keep blaming. Blame on. But before you know what is going on, your son will be behind bars.
God forbid.
Your food is there.
I'm not interested. Come and carry your food. Come and carry your food. I'm not interested. I want my son to be behind bars.
What am I supposed to do? I know you didn't murder that child, but you've hurt us too much to get involved in your troubles. You brought this upon yourself. So pay the price for your stupidity and wickedness. As much as I want to help you, I'll stay away from this completely. I wish you all the best, okay?
What do you mean you're not interested? So what, as your wife, I can't talk to you? Is that what you're trying to tell me? I can't talk to you as your wife?
You're raising your voice at me.
Oh, Chidi, stop doing this. This is not nice.
You're raising your voice at me, Elena.
I don't intend to raise my voice. You're the one who's getting me all worked up over this. I don't want this to happen like this. Why you just listen to me now, Chidi? Don't walk out on me. We're still talking. Don't walk out on me, Chidi.
Do whatever.
Chidi, don't walk out on me. Oh, come on. Don't do this now, Chidi, please. I know I've wronged you, no doubt, but please give me a chance to say something now, please. Chidi, I'm talking to you.
My friend, I am going to be very honest with you. What you did was so wrong. I mean, that girl was a blessing to you, and what did you do? You messed it all up. For what? And you said Chidi is upset. Of course he has to be angry. His anger is very justified. And to think that no one knows where that little girl is, I think that's not cool.
Honestly, Carol, this whole adoption thing was not my idea. I never wanted to adopt in the first place. I was forced into it. And then when I got pregnant, I just felt like she had no business being in my house. That's why I sent her away. But now I've learned my lesson. But I guess it's too late now. It's late.
It's not too late. It's never too late. All you have to do is find that girl. Find her. I mean, I'm sure that if you find her and bring her back home, Chidi would reconsider.
Well, yeah, I guess that's what I have to do. I have to start searching for her immediately.
Good. Just try. Okay, we'll find her.
Wow. What Elena did was wrong. I didn't expect that from her.
I know, me too. And I told her. Anyway, she said that she's going to start the search immediately. I just hope that means today. And I sincerely pray that little girl is fine.
Well, God protects his own. I hope she's fine too.
Amen.
Meanwhile, what's your plan concerning your husband's case?
Mom, honestly, I don't know what to say or do about that one.
I know you must have come to a decision. I know you. But this is what I have to say. You have to view everything that comes into your family as a challenge. And the thing to do is to stand by each other. He is still your husband, regardless of what has happened before.
Mom, what are you saying?
I'm saying you have to understand that this woman has come into your marriage to destroy it.
No, Mom. She did not come into my house. My own husband brought her into my home.
Well, that's irrelevant. I'm sure you can see that. The bottom line is that he didn't murder the child. And you believe that as well. So you have to see this as that this woman has come to take away the father of your children. That's how you have to look at it.
Mom, are you in any way saying that I should stand by him after all he's put me through?
I am not saying any such thing. All I am saying is that wise people build their homes. And I didn't give birth to a foolish child. Did I?
Hi.
Hello, Sophia.
I hope I'm not disturbing you.
No, not at all. What's wrong?
I would love to have a word with you.
Okay, I'm listening.
It's about your husband's forthcoming case.
What about it?
I need you by my side.
How do you mean?
Do you know what I mean, Carol? I know Nkem has dealt with you not once, not twice. So I want us to come together as women who have been dealt with so we can take out our own pound of flesh.
That's actually a good idea.
I knew you were going to love it. Thank you.
Anytime.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Mama, what's wrong? Why are you sitting down here by yourself at this time of the night? Are you crying?
What else is there to do? What else is there to do when my son has refused to help his only brother? I don't know what to become of my son. I don't know what to become of him. I don't know what to become of him. For the very first time, I am really scared for Nkem. I am scared for Nkem. Oh, come on, Mama.
Nothing will happen to Nkem. I believe Nkem will be fine.
And that can only happen. You will stand by him. My daughter-in-law. Mother of my grandchildren. Will you stand and protect my son? Will you?
Mama, stop, please. Your son is my husband. I cannot abandon him at the time when he needs me the most. So, of course, I will stand by him.
I promise. I'm promising you. Because the new one I can protect my son.
It's okay. It's my responsibility. I will stand by my husband. Nothing will happen to Nkem.
Amen. Amen.
Come, please come inside. You shouldn't be out here crying.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Let me get you water. Okay? Thank you. Don't cry again.
Thank you. Okay.
What are you doing here at this time of the day? And who would even let you in at this time past 15 hours?
I came away, baby. And what is wrong in coming to see the father of my child? Oops, sorry. Late child.
You are disgusting. I should have known you were trouble, looking for where to happen from the first day I saw you. Let me tell you something. You will not succeed.
I know it's going to stop me. You are in no position to make promises. You're locked up here. So henceforth, I decide what happens to you.
Eli, you have no powers to decide that.
We'll see in court. Yeah? We'll see in court, baby. And how will you feel when your family stand against you in court? Tell me, how?
My wife is not like you. She would not sit down and watch her husband stay in here and suffer.
We will see then. Let's see how much she still loves you after all you did to her. Okay. You are so alone in this. So alone. You're alone!
Helena! Helena! Helena!
Doctor, please, what is wrong with my wife?
Mr. Chidi, your wife will be fine. But judging from the test, she's been under so much stress. And she's not been feeling fine.
I don't get you.
Your wife just put to bed. Well, the child died. And your wife has not fully recovered. But the last thing she needs now is to undergo any stress. Chidi, she needs you now more than ever.
Hey, no, just stay back, Stay back, okay?
I am sorry. Please, I am so sorry. I never thought of what I was doing. I just lost it. Please, forgive me. Please, give us another chance.
The doctor said you need to rest.
No, I don't need rest. I don't need rest. I need your forgiveness, please. And I need to find Tracy. Please.
Why do you want to find Tracy? So you can hurt her again?
No, I will never do that. And this is a promise. Okay, she's my daughter. And I need to treat her as my daughter.
It's alright. Just relax, okay? We're gonna find her. Just relax and rest. Hey, no. Don't do this. If holding you is gonna let you cry, then I'll have to let go.
No, I won't cry. I won't cry again. I won't cry again.
Well, from everything you said, it's obvious the odds are against him. And coupled with the fact that he has a long history of not taking care of his female children, the knowledge of that can have him nailed.
I know, Barrister, I know this, but that's why I'm talking to you. You need to find a way around it. I mean, I know you, I know your work. And I believe that you can turn this thing around in his favor.
Of course.
Please.
It's my
husband.
It's my job. I'll do everything I can Okay.
To make this happen. But I also need your full cooperation.
Barrister, you have all the support and cooperation that you need from me.
Good.
Thank you.
Did I just see a lawyer in this house talking about defending your husband?
Yeah, and how does that bother you?
Of course it bothers me. It's my problem because you're supposed to be on my side. How then did you just go behind me? You're such a betrayer.
Sophie. Wait, let me ask you, so you actually think, you thought for a second that I would side with you against Nkem? I am a wife and a mother. You do not expect me to send the father of my children to jail for a crime you and I both know he didn't commit.
I thought you were wise enough. I made a very big mistake.
No, you are the most foolish woman on earth, to be honest. Now get out of my room. And the next time you want to come in here, you knock and you wait for a response. Else, Sophia, get out. Sophia, leave my room. I said leave! Stupid woman.
Mom, are you going to help Dad to get out of jail?
Why?
Because we don't support it. Let him stay there for a while for all the things he has done to us.
Girls, come on. There is a plan to send your father to prison and you want the planner to succeed? He is your father. You should stand by him.
He has not seen us as his children.
Okay, come sit. Let's talk about this. There is something I have to explain to you girls. Once upon a time, in a very, very, very beautiful abstract land, there lived a princess.
When all this happened, I was expecting my only brother to come running to me. It took you almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks to come and see your brother.
Listen, Nkem. If you learn to stop taking blames and not always looking for someone to give it to, then you would realize that life doesn't revolve around you. We all warned you about this from the beginning, but you used every opportunity to make me feel stupid for opening my mouth.
And with all that's happening right now, you think it's the right time to apportion blames?
Really?
Who's wrong and who's right?
Are you serious right now? Who's been doing the counting? You have. And hey, I just follow your lead.
But what are you doing here?
Oh, really? If my presence here upsets you, I'll just leave.
And they made it that way.
So,
how are you coping with the loss of your son?
Funny you ask. But as late as your concerns are coming, I'll still answer you. They are fine.
That's funny as it may sound. I'm quite happy you came. I mean, it's refreshing to know that you care. Even if it's just a little.
The feeling is mutual.
What is the meaning of what you just did? As your son arrest affects your sense of reasoning.
And it's only a stupid person like you, a shameless woman like you, that want to remain in the house of a man that she wants to send to jail.
He brought me into this house and he alone can ask me out. But unfortunately, he's not around.
I know you're happy because your plans are working. I'm his mother. I have every power. And let me tell you, I will never sit and allow you send my son to jail. Never. It will not happen. One more thing. As long as you remain in this house, I do not want to see you anywhere around this kitchen.
And how are you going to stop me?
This kitchen belongs to my daughter-in-law. She has the right to come in here, not an intruder, a stranger like you.
Wow! Your daughter-in-law. She's now your daughter-in-law. Some weeks ago, she was just one woman your son just got married to. In order to buy favor, you can call her your daughter-in-law now. Oh my God! Aren't you ashamed?
Of course she's my daughter-in-law.
At your age and this stage, you're so unstable.
But she's my daughter-in-law. Carol Wumuyanwan. She alone has the right to come in here, and she's so much of a woman for you.
And how did you allow your son bring me into this house in the first place?
That was the stupid part of me. And we all make mistakes. But good a thing, and I know better. The same way you were brought into this house, that same way you'll be kicked out. Okay, I'm not here. Shut up.
Officer, please, we've been waiting for a while. Is he still coming? Please, calm down. I'm still here with you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I know I have been a terrible father to all of you. You girls are still my children.
You've never treated us that way. Sorry if we don't believe you.
You have every right to be angry. All of you. But Chinazo.
I'm not Chinazo, I'm Chidima. You see, he can't even tell the difference and you expect us to be happy. What a father.
Chidima, stop that. He's still your father.
I really cannot differentiate from who is who. Give me a chance. I want to be a better father for you. And if possible, a good husband. I'm probably the worst father in the history of humanity. I'm deeply sorry.
I see you're enjoying your snack.
Yes, it's tasty.
But I have another surprise for you.
What's that?
I did not get a snack.
Really? Who?
I did.
Hey! Hey, come on, Tracy.
I am not here to hurt you, okay? I come in peace. Okay?
I never knew it would take it out on my innocent child. My innocent child. He has always wanted a male child, which was why he came to me. His wife and 3 daughters has always been seen as nuisance in the house. So, when my daughter came, he decided to take her life. Since he's not married to me and she's the only reason why I'm still in the house. He took her life just to get me out of the house.
My husband has always been a loving and caring man. The only mistake he made was sleeping with her, and she pinned him with a pregnancy, which he accepted.
If that was the case, Miss Carol, then how comes your husband abandoned you in the hospital just because you gave birth to a baby girl? How come your daughters were sent away from school for fees, even when their father is a known millionaire?
My husband is not a murderer.
He may be in search of a male child, but that doesn't mean he would kill a female one.
Madam, in your marriage, was there a time your husband asked you to abort a pregnancy because he find out it's a female child?
No.
Don't forget, you are under oath.
He has never asked me to do anything of the sort.
Your Lordship, that will be all for now.
This court is adjourned to 28th of May 2018 for final hearing.
Your Lordship, please. God.
Try all you want, Carol. Victory is mine. I will watch Nkem rot in jail, like I promised.
Do not celebrate yet, Sophia. There's more coming. Nkem is my husband, and I promise to bring him back home when this case is over. And I dare you to try to stop me. I will destroy you.
Wow! Let's watch and see this unfold. Okay? Let me tell you, you may have lied to the courts, but that's not enough reason to consider him innocent. I promise you, he's going to rot in jail. Let's watch and see.
Not for long, Sophie. Not for long.
You'll rot in jail. I promise you. Mama, I will not take this from you. Mama, I will not take this from you. You're leaving this house. Mama, what's this? Your things, you're leaving this house. Are you serious? Are you serious? This is where I draw the line. What is this? You slap her? She is like my mother. So you want you will slap my mother too? What? Before I possibly remove you, leave this house. You are not spending one more night in this house. Sophia, leave. So you are taking side with this woman? You are taking side with this woman? Why would I? I'm not going anywhere. This woman is like my mother. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going. See, wait. Mama, drop my clothes. Sophia, everything. Sophia, Sophia, this clothes. You never. I will put my clothes inside nylon. I will put my clothes inside this dirty nylon. Mama, I will not take this from you. I will not take this from you. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not saying this. I bless you, wicked girl, devil, queen of the coast. Leave it. Is it my face? Wicked girl. So after everything, she thinks she can stay in this house. A man is lost. Yeah. I want to slap her.
Chidima, darling, what's wrong? Why are you not asleep?
Mom, I really need to talk to you about something.
Okay, what's the matter?
Mom, you know the day after Dad was arrested by the police, I overheard Auntie Sophia on the phone with her friend.
My friend, this child is supposed to be my meal ticket to success, to wealth. But since she has decided to come to this worthy girl, I can't allow her mess things up for me. They say desperate times calls for desperate measure. She's more useful to me dead than alive. Let's watch out and see how all these dramas unfold.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, Mom.
This is serious. Okay, not to worry. I will talk to the lawyer about it and see what she can make from it. Go back to bed.
Please, Mom, can I stay with you?
Of course.
Never say never.
If what your daughter heard is the truth, then it simply means that Sophia is the actual killer of her child.
No, Barrister, come on. They could just be speculations. How can a mother murder her own child? It makes no sense. Chidima probably heard wrong.
Hey, on the contrary, it makes perfect sense. Okay, look at it this way. She wanted to use the child to make money, but then the sex becomes an issue. And again wants her out. Now that's enough motive to want to kill her child and frame Nkem for it. Not everybody is as kind-hearted as you are. Some people are pure evil.
Never say never. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder.
We're here.
Hey, darling. Welcome back, mommy. How are you? Hi.
Okay, good. This is for you. I got all this
Wow,
for you.
all this for me?
Mm-hmm.
I think not too much.
Oh, please. Nothing is ever too much for my daughter. But yeah, go and try it on. I hope you like them all.
I will, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Oh, you're welcome, honey.
Woman's pride is
Oh boy!
Hey, babe.
Hey.
What a day.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the gift you got for Tracy. I'm just hoping that you won't change.
Oh, come on. Have some faith in me. You see, I have realized my mistakes, and she is my daughter. I don't want to be that terrible person that I was, and I don't want to ever see you angry at me like that again. Never.
I don't want you to love her because I want you to. I want you to love her because you feel that way.
Oh, come on. See, you may not believe it, but I do feel it. I do. Honestly, I do. And seeing her happy just somehow takes my sorrows away. It does.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Alright then. See, I'm just so tired. I think I'll just shower and sleep.
No, wait. Let me give you a good body massage.
Okay.
I'm serious. Put your hands like this. Wait,
just hold on.
God, I have never asked you for anything. But please do not look at my sins, but on the faith I have in you. If you help me out of this one, I promise to take care of my family. The family that you have given me. I promise to cherish and love them. Like my life depends on it. This is a promise I am making to you. Do not let me down. Please.
Hello, children. Yeah. Here we are.
Mama.
Yeah.
What's happening?
I made something really nice for dinner.
You did what?
Yeah.
Why? What's the occasion?
Carol, do I need an occasion to cook for my family?
No, I was just asking.
Okay, people, all of you sit down. Sit down, let's have dinner. You will enjoy it. Sit down, everybody. Come, sweetheart, come this way. Come. Okay, let's sit, have a seat. Okay, then sit. So, let's enjoy our dinner. We love it. I got a dish for everybody. Do we pray first?
Let's pray.
So who is praying for us?
So, you've become quite a frequent visitor around here. Are you losing faith already?
Not at all. I just felt I should give you a chance to save yourself.
That's very, very generous of you. So if I may ask, what is this chance you propose?
You give me 50% of everything you own, and I'll help you. Help you escape jail.
So I'm supposed to just believe everything you say just like that? Wow. How nice of you. But no deal. You see, I would rather go to jail and give everything I own to my family than give a dime of what I have to you. I don't make deals with snakes. You're a snake.
Well, since you prefer jail, I will help you enjoy it.
Rubbish.
Okay. You don't need these tears. Tomorrow is the final hearing and you need to be strong and have faith. Huh?
Do you know that my fate will be decided tomorrow? Either I am free or I am locked up for years behind bars.
I know. But I have faith. I have faith that you will come out of this in one piece. So you need to be strong. You need to be strong with me.
Yes, I wish I could be strong. I wish I could be strong. You want me to, but I can't be strong.
I know, my love, I know. It's okay to be scared, okay? It's okay, but you cannot let it overpower you. Look at me. You have to be strong. I believe tomorrow will be a good day. Huh? I have faith.
I think so.
I believe so. I know so. I know so. It's okay. It's okay.
Miss Sophia.
Sophia, I'll go.
You said you called the police immediately you found your daughter dead.
Yes.
But looking at the time you called the police and the time they arrived, and Kem was still holding the murder weapon because it took the police about 45 minutes to get to the house. Whereas this autopsy results shows that your daughter died 15 minutes before the police arrived. How come?
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Miss Sophia, you called the police and they came 45 minutes later. Meanwhile, in that report, it says your daughter died 15 minutes before the police arrived. It simply means that your daughter was still alive when you called the police. Because that is why Nkem was still holding the murder weapon when they came.
Are you accusing me of killing my daughter?
Did you?
Of course not.
Then explain to this honorable court the huge gap between when you called the police and when your daughter actually died. Your Honor, that will be all for this witness. May I proceed to invite the children of the accused to the witness stand, please?
Go ahead.
Okay. And where exactly were you?
I was with my sisters in the room.
What are the names of your sisters?
Chidera and Chinazo.
Thank you.
Little girl, what is your name?
Chinazo.
Chinazo. Chinazo, how old are you?
I'm 9.
9 years. Okay. Chinazo, can you calculatively tell me what it means when they say family crisis?
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled. Thank you, Your Honor. That will be all for now. The court will go on 20 minutes break, after which I will give my judgment. As your lordship pleases.
As your lordship pleases.
Court.
You are a disgrace to humanhood.
How dare you? How dare you call me that? Coming from a woman who killed her own child? For what? Her selfish gains? You are the disgrace. And I pray that the soul of that innocent child continue to haunt you. And I promise you, even if it's the last thing that I do, I will make sure that you pay. You pay for this crime that you have committed.
How did you find out about that?
Honey, there is nothing hidden under the sun. Admit it. You killed your own child and set my husband up for it. But that's okay. Because I trust that this Justice Department will not let a woman like you walk away so freely.
You have no proof to back that up. She was supposed to be my meal ticket to a good future. But since she decided to come to this world as a woman, what am I supposed to do? Allow her mess things up for me? No. I had to use my sense and use it well, so I had to do what I did. I killed her. Yes, I did.
Thank you.
Thank you. Is that all you say?
Before my judgment, is there anyone who has something to say in respect to this case?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I have one last evidence to tender. I just hope I'll be given the opportunity.
Objection, my lord. With due respect, this case is over. I do not think if there is need for any evidence.
Barrister Faith, I hope this your evidence is relevant to this case.
Yes, Your Honor.
How dare you call me that? Coming from a woman who killed her own child? For what? Her selfish gain? You are the disgrace. And I pray that the soul of that innocent child continue to haunt you. And I promise you, even if it's the last thing that I do, I will make sure that you pay. You pay for this crime that you have committed.
How did you find out about that?
Honey, there is nothing hidden under the sun.
killed your own child and set my husband up for it. But that's okay. Because I trust that this Justice Department will not let a woman like you walk away so quickly. You have no proof to back that up. She was supposed to be my meal ticket to a good future. But since she decided to come to this world as a woman, what am I supposed to do? Allow her mess things up for me? No. I had to use my sense and use it well, so I had to do what I did. I killed her. Yes, I did.
With the evidence before this court, I hereby discharge and acquit Mr. Nkem Obonna of all charges and sentence Miss Sophia Ago to 45 years imprisonment without parole and with no option of fine for the murder of her child. This is my judgment.
What?
The last time Alright, so we should take our sneaky glasses. Yeah.
Or the pink brigade.
Yes.
The pink brigade.
Don't drink yet, just not yet.
I'm in a hurry.
Yeah.
So raise your glasses. Not drink yet, not yet. Okay, so cheers to family.
Yeah.
To being there for each other. Cheers to our daughters.
Beautiful daughters.
Yes. Cheers to freedom.
Freedom.
Okay, kids, get involved in this. Get involved, get involved, get involved. All right.
What's going to happen? Okay. Cheers.
All right. We can put some music on and get everyone getting.
Totally. I have to show you guys.
Cheers.
I have some. Oh, we made it up, so we should have.
Hope we didn't take too long.
No. Are you guys okay?
Anyways, brother. Yeah. I want to say I'm very sorry. Alright.
Anything for you. Yes.
I know. Darling. What is
Yes.
There's more drink if you want.
Can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
Why are you this nice to me after everything I passed you and the kids through? After all these years?
He was still my husband. And years, like you call it, that's all in the past. All that matters now is here and now. I mean, nothing can go wrong if you don't allow it.
I will never allow anything go wrong. I will stand beside you. And I'll stand behind my daughters always. I love you guys so much.
It's so nice to hear you call them your daughters.
Because that's exactly what they are. They're my daughters. And you are my wife. Can you find a place in your heart to really truly forgive me?
Kim, you really hurt me. But you are my husband. So yes, I forgive you. I forgive you.
I will never take you for granted. I will always love you, my children. There ain't no crying here. You've cried enough over the years. It's time for us to be happy.
To be a happy family.
Happy family.
So happy you're back home.
Happy I'm with you again.
Last time I saw you this happy was over 10 years.
Mom, you did last time I was this happy. It was 2 years ago.
I pray this happiness remains forever.
Amen. Amen.
Meanwhile, your husband is indeed a changed man. I can see it in his eyes.
I thank God, Mom.
So now you have to keep working to keep your family together.
I still have to work?
Of course. A married woman never stops working to make her marriage work and to keep her family together. The moment you decide to get married, you have created a problem you will spend the rest of your life solving. Some problems are lighter than others, but you see, marriage, it's constant work. So, but I expect even you should know that. But the worst is over, so I know that you're going to succeed.
Thanks, Mom. I hear you. But can I just enjoy this peace
and happiness. Please, while you're enjoying, remember to keep working.
Okay, Mom, I'll keep working.
Oh God, this is good. Try it. This is awesome with this ice cream. Can I have more?
If anyone told me that someday that our dad will really be our father, I wouldn't have believed it.
For the first time, we're eating something given to us by our dad. By our own dad.
I just pray he remains the same. And that our mom will be happy. And that's just all I ask for.
And that is truly enough for us. Now I can proudly say I have a father. We have a father!
We have a father.
And so tasty. Feels good. Can I have the ice cream, please? It's so delicious. Pass me one. How do you like it? You have to finish the chicken first. How do you open it out?
Bobby, if I didn't know you well, I'd say you're very happy about the development in this house. But your face has a way of giving you up.
My in-law. You see why I like it so much. You sure know how to tell when I'm in support of something and when I am not. Let's tell ourselves the truth. This house needs a male child. And I will not allow my son's freedom to make him get carried away as to stand by your daughter and her girls.
If at your age you're not able to learn from your mistakes, you should at least let your son learn from his. If my daughter and the girls you speak so badly of have not stood by him, he would have been locked up for a long time. Now, tell me something. For all these things the girls have done, is it too much to ask that you give them just a little happy?
They did their own responsibility. Yes, that was their responsibility. And now my son owes me a responsibility. And he has to fulfill it by giving me a male child.
If the son you speak about is the one I see now, then you've got a big shocker coming.
Honey. Guess what? Guess.
What's that? Why are you so excited? What's that?
Guess.
Why are you excited? What is it?
God has done it again.
Oh, okay.
Baby, God has done it again.
What has God done?
God has blessed us. It's positive.
Okay, wait. What is positive?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm pregnant. Oh my God.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Oh, baby.
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes. Oh my goodness. And we have Tracy to thank for this. God has used her to bless us again.
Baby. God, are you serious? Oh, God. You know, I really hope you don't get to change again.
No. See, I am not going to let that happen, okay? Tracy is our first daughter and I'm going to treat her that way.
You're seriously pregnant? Come on, I love you. I think we should get something to celebrate.
Wait!
What is it?
I'm still trying to ignore. Hey. Tracy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I am so grateful. God has used you to bless me. And I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you.
What did I do, Mom?
You see, you have given me my joy back. God has used you to bless me again, and I promise you promise you, Tracy, this will not be like the last time. I will be the best mother in the world to you. I will love and I will cherish you as I will my own mother.
And I'll be the best daughter.
Oh, thank you. Oh, Tracy. Oh, God. It's all but a dream. Wow.
Never say never. Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. My duty is to be your eyes till the days when we older. If you're feeling down and blue, you can rest on my shoulder. I hope we'll never say bye. Don't tell you lies. A woman's pride is the truth I found inside of you. I no go lie when you're mine, I'm more than you. Your style and your attitude make me fall for you.
Yeah. You seem to be overjoyed and carried away by the freedom you now have. You have not made the girls your favorites. Have you forgotten that we still need a male child in this house? Have you?
Mama, are we still on this? I honestly thought we had passed all of this a long time ago. Mama, look. I have learned my lesson. Those girls are my everything. They mean the world to me. And they're my children too. Despite of how hard and how bad we treated them, they still stood by me throughout my time in court to get freedom. Shouldn't that count for anything?
But you've thanked them. What more do they need from you?
No, Ma, so you tell me now, so thank you is enough to these children. Huh? Well, let me tell you something. You see those children? They deserve everything. And I love them. I will give them every single thing that they have missed out on in life, both now and in the past. And as for your boy that you so desperately want, I'm no longer interested. Yes. And just to add, just so that you know, I think I'm the one who's been missing out on a lot for so long. And now I have some catching up to do.
You expect me to accept that?
Mama, I don't expect you to do anything. Nothing at all. I'm going to just leave you with two options though. One is either you stay here and be happy with us and live in peace and harmony, or you use the door.
What? Nkem,
Yes, Mommy.
you're asking me, your mother, to leave your house? Eh?
Mama, I cannot ask you to leave my house. I would never ask you to leave my house. But what I'm telling you is I'm giving you two options. Either you stay here with us in peace and harmony and you would enjoy it. Or you use the door, which leads to the gate, which leads outside. But it's your choice. Okay? Yes.
Nkem, this is not you now. What has come over you? This is not you now.
Mama, I just got wiser, that's all. Huh? Mama, let me go and play with my children now. When you're ready, you join us. Okay? Alright.
Never say never.
What is my lovely, beautiful wife doing here again?
Nothing, really. I overheard you and Mama.
Well, don't worry about that, okay?
Thank you. For the first time, I'm genuinely happy to be your wife.
Well, I'm very happy to have you as my wife. And if it was somebody else, this marriage would have been long dead. Despite all the torture and the pain I've had through, you keep it alive. I love you. My little chihuahua.
So strong, she carry on. You got it smart to take my breath away. Even when you're gone, you love me strong. You chose me.